Welcome to our channel. If you received your Truist ReliaCard and want to activate it using the mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started quickly. Step 1. Download the ReliaCard mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the ReliaCard app once the installation is complete. Step 3. If this is your first time using the app, select the option to create an account or register. Step 4. Enter your personal information as requested, including your card number, which is the 16-digit number on the front of your ReliaCard. Step 5. Provide additional verification details, such as your social security number, date of birth, and zip code. Step 6. Create a username and password for your ReliaCard mobile app account. Step 7. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Step 8. Submit your registration information and wait for your account to be created. Step 9. Once registered, log in to the ReliaCard mobile app using your new username and password. Step 10. Navigate to the card activation section in the app menu. Step 11. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate your ReliaCard, which may include creating a 4-digit PIN. Step 12. Once activated, your ReliaCard is ready to use for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.